Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Yam porridge is one of my favorite meals. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make or how I made this delicious vegetable yam porridge. Let's get started. Some pepper soup spice, but this one is optional. I just like the taste in my porridge. Add the palm oil. I'll also be adding some meat stock, which I already have in my freezer, and then go in with some amount of water. Then I'll gently stir it together so that the ingredients and the water can mix very well. After which, I'll cover the pot and allow this to cook until the yam is well cooked and soft. Look at that. About 15 or 20 minutes later, our yam is well cooked and very soft and also yummy. So the next thing I'll do is to stir this. We're going to stir this until the liquid thickens before we now go in with our vegetables. I also like to mash some of the yam pieces. That will help the liquid to thicken and we'll have enough poto poto. We have enough yam poto poto in the porridge. It is now time to add our leafy vegetables, and I'll start with the scent leaf. I'll stir this very well before adding the next leaf, that is the ogo, the pumpkin. Our yam porridge is ready, and all that is left now is to serve and enjoy this. Please don't forget to give us a like, give the video a thumbs up, please. Thank you. If you have given the video a thumbs up, this one I'm dishing out now is for you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.